Alright, here's an overview of the Augmented 911 application for Android. On the left side, I'm logged in as a regular user, and on the right side, we have Officer Jim Barry. So one of the first features is instant messaging. So instant messaging can be done within a call session, but it can also be done outside of a call session. So I already have a conversation going with Jim Barry, so I can add on to that. I'm going to send him a new message. I'm going to say hello. So once I send him this message, he's going to be getting a push notification telling him that he has a new message on Augmented 911. And once he clicks on this push notification, he will be sent to the conversations page. So there he is, and there's my new message. So when he replies to me, I will be able to see any updates with our conversation because I'm already in the conversation screen. Alright, so one of the more important functionalities, obviously, is the call session. So we're going to show that to you right now. We're going to sign in as a different officer this time, as Officer K. So if I want to call Officer K directly, I have to have him as a preferred officer. So I don't have him right now. I'm going to add him to my preferred officers list. So first I have to search for him. And I know his last name is K, so I'm going to input that right there, and I found him. There he is. So I'm going to add him to my preferred officers list, and when I refresh my list, he should be there. There he is, and he's active, so I can send him a request, and once he gets the request, he can accept it, and if he does, then we get sent to the call session screen. So we use SIP services to handle the voice communication, but we're not going to open that up right now. Instead, I'm going to show you the picture functionality. So the picture functionality will allow me to take any picture. I can take a picture of maybe my surroundings or people involved, and this might help the officer with this case. So right now I'm just going to take a random picture, and I'm going to show you real quick. There it is. So I'm going to click done and send it to him. And so after it's successfully sent, the officer can refresh his screen and he'll be able to view that picture. So I can send him multiple pictures, and he can do whatever he needs with them. So another feature is video chat. I'm not going to show that right now. Instead, I want to show the GPS functionality. So the GPS functionality will give the officer a map with our locations and a path to get to me. Right now we have a different location hard-coded for mine. We don't want to just show two pointers stacked on top of each other, but that's what the GPS functionality will look like. Like I said, we can also do messaging. I'm going to skip that for right now. And instead, I want to show you leaving a call session. So I can leave the call session, and the officer will be notified, but he won't get kicked out. This will allow the officer to look at some of the pictures that were sent, maybe view the messages, and this might help the officer instead of just kicking him out and he's left with nothing. So there's a couple extra things, but that's pretty much the main functionality of the app. So thank you for watching.